Hello, my name is Andy Connell and you're watching a screencast for a course developed for the Internet Systems module on the UE Foundation year. Website evaluation. Start with, we are going to consider the website from two different aspects. Firstly, from the point of view of what is it, and secondly from the point of view of what does it look like. Starting with purpose. The purpose of a website can be manyfold. There's a list here, it's not comprehensive. If you're going to understand the success or failure of a website, you've got to understand what its purpose is. In some respects, every webmaster wants the same three things from their website. They wish users to come to that site, lots of them. They wish them to spend a lot of time on that site, dwell time as it's outlined here, and they wish them to return to that site. If those three criteria are met, the website can be said to be good. Some other things to consider when it comes to thinking about what the website is the authority of the site. Sites like the bbc.co.uk attract audiences by virtue of the fact that their work is well written, peer-reviewed. 5 useful questions to ask. Who's produced this website? What is the purpose of the website? Is the information on the website up to date? Where does the information come from? Why was this site initiated? When trying to judge authority, looking at the URL extension can be a useful guide. We are at the City of Bristol College, we have a .ac extension. However, regardless of the extension, it should not be taken as a guarantor of quality. Everybody comes to a website for a purpose, and the ease with which they achieve that purpose will reflect on their opinion of the quality of the site. If they can find what they want quickly and easily, to them it is a good site. Information contained on web pages might be considered static. For instance, the conversion rate between kilometers and miles is a piece of static information. Or it might be considered dynamic. Perhaps the price of gold, something which changes on a minute-by-minute basis, would be considered highly dynamic. In truth, most information is somewhere between these two states. The more dynamic the information, the more often it will have to be updated. To update websites, we use content management systems. Accessibility is increasingly becoming an issue for websites, with Finland and Spain actually putting into legislation that websites must conform to certain levels of accessibility. Accessibility is a good thing. The more people who can make sense of your site, the bigger your potential audience. In the next slide, we will be looking at how to create an objective judgment of the quality of a website. But for the time being, 2 questions to keep in mind. What's the point of the website? Does it do what it sets out to do?